So to start Simscape, the best way to start Simscape is to look to this online course, Simscape on Ramp. So if you click on it, you will find it. You click on details and launch. So you have the option to launch it online or to launch it on your desktop. But this is if you have MATLAB on desktop, and most probably, it will be uh, in the newest version of MATLAB, like MATLAB, I believe 2020B or later. Not 2019, for example, doesn't work. 2020B or 2021, etc. So Simscape on ramp work on desktop. Otherwise, if you don't have that version, you should work online. First of all, this page to open, you need to have a personal account. Okay, you link it to your license so it can open. And if you don't have license, in this case, you try a free license. So you click on try free license for some times, and then you will be having access for a month, around a month. And that's how you start Simscape on ramp course. Okay, here I'm starting it online because I don't have the newest version of MATLAB on my desktop. These are the course plan and end up by a project, and we can go over them step by step. Okay, here is, you click, you can start the course overview with a video,
Hello, and
etc. Okay.